How do, y'all? Got a little bit of rain this morning, finally. And in the rain catch pool, there's this. I'm pretty sure it's some kind of water beetle. It's not tiny, but it's got a little bit of size to it. Just showing my fingers there with it to get an idea of its size. But yeah, got a little bit of rain, added about 4 or 5 inches to my rain pool. And I also noticed this morning I got mosquito larvae. Yay. Yes, there's mosquitoes out here in the desert too. Dry as it is, somehow they managed to be here. I'm sure you can't see the mosquito larvae, but you might have just seen that tadpole come up for a little breath. Little puddles left over from this morning's rain. So, yeah, things are greening up out in the landscape with the rains. It's still being pretty light for monsoon season, but at least there's been something. It's dead and floating around, but here's one of the Jerusalem crickets. I get them now and again in the pool here. When it's wet, they just get in and drown. And I'm leaving the bugs in here because the tadpoles are eating on them. So everything feeds something around here. All right. Just a little bug adventure today. Okay. Till next time, have a beautiful day.